MX 8.2 TKL wireless. The wireless gaming pro, a winner in both aesthetics and workmanship. RGB coded 8.24 gigahertz Bluetooth. Mechanical MX features wireless 10 keyless keyboard with a unique design, full Cherry gaming power without cables with Cherry advanced wireless technology. You can choose your favorite connection from 3 connection models. Perfect for a gaming interface. A free and incredibly fast gaming mode with a latency of less than 1 ms. Multi-use Bluetooth with 3 channels to switch between multiple devices at the touch of a button or simple by cable. RGB illumination options from monochrome to RGB color routines in over 16 million colors on every single button. Small keyboard in high quality aluminum case. Intelligent charging technology. Play one while the keyboard is charging via the USB cable. Cherry MX technology. Gold gross point precision switch for all key made in Germany. Silicone padding and foam cushion make the keyboard pleasantly quiet and provide the usual precious Cherry typing feel. Abrasion resistant keycaps, full and key rollover. All key are read simultaneously, anti-ghosting, no input errors. Win key locked for gaming. Cherry button for instant access to software information and the Cherry website. Height adjustable due to fold. Outfit includes reusable metal case for safe transport. Delivery content: nano USB receiver, shard manual metal case, keyboard, USB A to USB-C cable. Details: Cherry Max 8.2 TKL wireless, the elegant gaming pro wireless and incredibly fast with a latency of less than 1 ms in gaming mode. The classy 10 keyless design without numeric keypad in a solid aluminum housing with vibrant RGB lighting is the catcher on every desktop. In addition to the classic gaming features, the tried and tested Cherry MX switch abrasion resistant keycaps, and a metal case for transport guarantee you a lasting gaming experience. Thanks a lot.